blood, saliva, and hair follicles, all possible areas for DNA testing, had all been destroyed. Dr. David Sweet is a forensic odontologist who had been following the Breeden murder in the newspapers. He suggested that scientists try something which had never been attempted before, that they try to harvest the genetic material from inside Breeden's teeth, from the tooth pulp, in order to generate a DNA profile.
They ran with the idea, released some evidence to me in the forms of some bones and teeth. I was particularly interested in the impacted wisdom teeth, or the teeth that were still embedded in the jawbone, both the upper jawbone and the lower jawbone. It was my sense that these teeth were more protected from the fire than the other tissues and the other teeth, because they were deeper in the core of the body, away from the potential heat source.
The pulp was sent to the forensics lab, along with samples of blood collected from Chris Cruz's car.
I've never thought for a second that tooth pulp could be used, or any part of any tooth could be used for DNA testing.
Blood cells were extracted from the tooth pulp and treated with a special chemical cocktail, and the DNA floated free, a sticky bundle of complex molecules. Next, the DNA was cut into smaller pieces, marked with a radioactive dye, and placed in separate lanes on an electrophoretic gel, where it was subjected to an electric field. The separated fragments are then visualized on X-ray film, called an autoradiogram, which resembles a barcode. When scientists compared the blood DNA found in Cruz's trunk, on his jacket, and on the photo album, it matched the DNA profile of Lynn Breeden.
It was very clear. The match showed that the DNA typing profile from the various exhibits submitted to me matched that of the DNA typing profile from the tooth pulp from the victim.
Based on the forensic evidence, Chris Cruz was charged with the murder of Lynn Breeden. At the after-hours nightclub, Lynn Breeden and her boyfriend, Chris Paycook, got into an argument when she flirted with some other men she met there.
Get back off.
Following the argument, Paycook left the club alone. Witnesses said Lynn was looking for cocaine that night, and at some point made the acquaintance of Chris Cruz. There was some evidence that the two already knew one another. Both were models, frequented the same night spots, and reportedly shared an